Simultaneous localisation and mapping, or SLAM technology, is a brilliant way to capture point cloud data, especially in GPS-deprived areas such as underground mines. But what's the best way to process and analyse that data? Maptek and Emesent have joined forces to deliver unprecedented insights into the resource sector. Emesent's award-winning UAV-mounted hover map device uses advanced algorithms to provide accurate localisation and navigation without GPS. Modelling and analysis of the LAS files hover map outputs can be completed in Maptek Point Studio software, which can easily handle the hover map data. Safely capture data in difficult locations and efficiently generate accurate results, be it modelling solids for volumetric output, broad-scale convergence monitoring, or draw point fragmentation analysis. Leveraging the best data processing software in the game lets you embrace game-changing data capture technologies. Get in touch today to see how you can benefit.